Alright, we're gonna pull this out of the garage. We're gonna like sweep it up and get the garage ready to start working on this thing.
You're my favorite.
Hopefully it starts. It should start. It was giving me weird problems last time. I think it's with the tune. I mean, we're banking on it's the tune, because if it's not, it's gonna be a pain in the dick. But check engine's light is off for now. Sound. Definitely a Corvette. Yeah, so today this gross stuff all out and make it so we have a clean spot to work on it this winter. Let's go.
Beach boy, you're my favorite.
Okay, and we're back. We got it all cleaned out now. It's much cleaner. I'm not gonna put this in. I'm gonna use that for the fucking bends. Yeah, it's all clean now. New rotors and brake pads. Boom, boom. 8 out of my 10-piece tie rod set. They're gonna send me my inner tie rods, like the actual tie rods themselves. Boom. There I got. I'll make a mess, but I got new O2 sensors, but I actually don't think I'm gonna need these because I think one of the parts that I'm coming with has to upgrade these to a better upgrade than even these ones. So, and it comes with them. So I bought all 4 new O2 sensors that I'm not gonna need, but gang, we got that. Nice, clean, sharp. We can pull this back in. Here we go. Set you back down. Heck yeah. Huh? No. I'm gonna go to this side. We're getting fiber optic put down there, and I just don't want to be getting watched while I'm doing this. So a few things I gotta replace is these hood shock mounts things. They don't hold my shit up no more. We're gonna keep the VR racing intake, but we're gonna replace the intake manifold and get new injectors. Yeah, I haven't decided if I'm gonna go with the Holly or the Edelbrock yet, but we're getting new intake manifold, new injectors, new fuel rails, new throttle body, new fuel lines hopefully, probably, and then a new fuel pump. And that'll be it for the motor. That didn't shut. But yeah, then we'll get new brakes. I'm gonna paint the calipers a certain color to probably figure out go with the body paint that I'm gonna eventually do. We gotta fix wiring from the dude who I bought this from. He put the headlights in. I'm cool with them, but he did pretty horrendous wiring idea on it. We'll get new suspension all the way around. We'll get some BC's extreme lows, and hopefully get those ordered within the next week or so, I guess I should say. But yeah, stay tuned. Should be fun. Cool, hell yeah. So this side's jacked up. We're gonna jack this side up. Then we'll start jacking up with blocks because I want to get it higher so it's not as shitty to work on. But yeah, here we go. You're probably gonna fall, but let's go. I guess that's what we can do. The brick broke. I got a better idea. We're gonna put them up front because I think I'm gonna clean them. They're good. Yeah. We got a little left. We can definitely do it right now before we switch them. They're done. Here we go. So I'm pretty happy. So I think we need to like probably end up removing a lot of this fender liner. It's plastic. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. That might have to go. I just have a feeling I'm gonna be hitting all of these when we lower it. I need to take this splitter off. We're gonna replace the tie rods, obviously, all the bushings. But yeah, I'm satisfied with where this is at right now. We're gonna repaint these. New rotors. New suspension coming soon.